Banzukato. 8. So Uber XL. Do you know you have 30 minutes? 30. Hey.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, 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 your body kakara, make a bong, bong.
Believe it or not, I just woke up. It's around 8:30 and I'm up. Nimeamka. Anyway, I'm just full of energy today because like God woke me up, so I'm grateful, and it's just one of those days where I have a lot of energy. So anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my coffee. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for indulging in my content. And if you're new here, you're very much welcome. So today is Monday. It's Monday and I'm full of energy. It's Monday. Let me be serious. It's Monday and let me take you guys through my itinerary. I can't believe I said that without kusema itinerary. So today I've just woken up and I have an online class to attend. I don't know, my lectures on Memoir 2 this year. I'm going to have many online classes, and you know what? It's okay. It's not like as if I have outfits to wear to school. Now I'm here attending classes looking homeless, but it's okay. So I want to attend that class, have breakfast, and then since I have a lot of energy today, I'm going to take advantage of that. So I have clothes to wash until you guys like watch my YouTube videos so I can get enough views so I can buy a washing machine. That's what I'm doing right now. And then I have to wash my shoes because like there are several. And then I want to be serious today because I've seen like there are a lot of assignments pending that I have to do. So after I do all that, I'll do my assignments, or I'll do my assignments first, then get to the cleaning part. Yeah, so that's all I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. So I'm missing a nail, and if you see it in the videos, like don't ask me, like the others are perfectly okay. So to survive that this set of nails for this week, and then I'm going to fix that next week. Hey, makosa ilifanyika mahali. I ended up going on TikTok and staying there for like 1.5 hours. So but I'm back on track. So I've put a timer that I usually use to do my assignments and study. So it's like 2 hours. Let me show you guys. So I'm going to use that timer. Like I really hope I stick to it. I want to use that timer, and within those 2 hours I'm going to be productive and I'm going to do my assignments and study because yeah, I have the willpower. So let's see how that goes.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, shayo, Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
So I finished studying like 30 minutes ago, and then I took a quick shower because I want to head out and buy lunch because I can't function without food. So I'm just wearing like sweats so I can go and get food and buy water. Also, I really like this lip combo. If there's one thing my friend Sly taught me is, even if you look raggedy and you have a killer lip combo, most probably you look good. So I think I'll try this lip combo more often. So also, pro tip, if you want to like hydrate a lot, because I realize like I drink a lot of water nowadays, like for the girls especially, just get a cute water mug jar like this one, and then like kwanza the ones that have a straw utapata unakunywa maji nyingi sana. Anyway, let me stop yapping, let me go and get food and water. Oh no, I can't do that kiss I usually do because of this.
Shadow, shadow, and if you go and shadow, shadow, and if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow, shadow, and if you go and shadow, shadow, and if you go and shadow, shadow, shadow.
I went for supper. I took a nap, and then nimekuwa nikiongea this whole time. I kid you not, I've been napping from like 8. And now I'm having Indomie for supper, like Indomie and eggs. My pasua, it's like a really good combo. I'm not even gonna lie. You may think at you, like even see, you've seen like people in this Chinese or Korean movies usually like eat Indomie, noodles and eggs. So yeah, that's what I'm having while I watch my favorite YouTuber Kim. So yeah.
Fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, check it, bush it, yeah, imade, double zile, kilo fe, why now,
Hey guys, so it's Wednesday, it's 6:31, and yeah, I'm going to class. So I woke up like at 6. Yeah, I woke up at 6. So I've already showered. I just want to get ready. And yeah, I'm going to be leaving at around 7 for my 7 a.m. class. But listen, I'll make it on time. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So this is the first time I'm going to school. My lips look chapped. Also, this is the first time I'm going to school this sem, because I've been having online classes, and then they striked, and then I had more online classes, and then I only went to school to drop over my report. So I'm actually excited to see my friends because I've not seen them in a while. Nataka kwanza nisikie music ndio niamke vizuri, but like I'm not those kind of people when you're wanekanga music, because I live with people where I live like what? Una watu wengi wanaishi huku. So there are some people who like play loud music in the morning. I hate those people. Mimi nataka kucheza tu music yangu so I can wake up, so I can vibe and wake up. Makuta inanisumbua anyway. Okay, so I'm done getting ready. I'm panting because nimekuwa nikiimba, nimekuwa nikiharakisha, and now I'm running late. But yeah, it's 6:51 and this is what I'm wearing. Okay, I'll just show you guys the full outfit nikitoka because I don't have time right now. So yeah, let's go to school.
I'm feeling sorry. Tell me something, yes, that I tried to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I just to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I need the mess of my mind, and I need to get you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you, go by. Yeah, you could leave, I'm struggling your life, baby. crazy as you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Up till the morning, my one put on from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me what you need. Give me what you need.
So it's around so it's around 12:40 and sijakula the whole day. Like, that's how you know I'm suffering. But like, I want to eat right now and then take a nap because I woke up at 6 and I can't be asked to stay awake any longer. So I don't know if I'll record again today, but we'll see. Anyway, let me go and take my nap and eat.
Say it, I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the cup green. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Can I tell us some real shit?
So I woke up from my nap around 4:30 and then me and my friends decided to go for a walk. So we went for a walk. Kuna like a swamp near here that we went for a walk. Alafu nikarudi and then I had like rice and chicken for supper. But then I've realized right now that I don't have snacks in my room. And hiyo rice na kuku haitanishibisha and I'm not about to like feel hungry at night. So I want to go to the supermarket. I get snacks kidogo for the night. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now.
In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it.
Hi guys, so it's like 6:12 a.m. on a Friday and I have a class and I don't know whether to complain or be happy that I'm back to going to my classes, but like I'm half asleep. But I want to get ready. Okay, why? I want to go shower, make my bed, get ready, and then go to school. So it's around 6:40 and I'm supposed to 6:45 and I'm supposed to be leaving at 6:55. Do you know you have 30 minutes? 30. Hey, anyway, so let me finish getting ready and then go to school. Okay, so ndio natoka. It's around 6:53, so I'm on time. And I'll show you my outfit of the day in school. Nasemanga nitafanya hivyo and then I forget, but I'll remember. But my outfit is high-key giving Kim Possible. If you say it's a lie, then you're a hater. So I'm panting like this because I live on 3rd floor and I literally like nakwanga so proud of those girls who wake up to work out because I'm so unfit and I don't think it will ever be me, like, but like things can change. Next I'm not work out, but all I'm saying is for now I admire those girls because mimi 3 flights of stairs hata nashindwa construct a sentence. I'm exhausted. Anyway, I'm back from school and I didn't have breakfast in the morning, so I'm literally dying. So nataka kukula breakfast. I'm just going to have like bread and eggs. It's around 11 and also I didn't get like my 8 hours of beauty sleep. 8 hours of beauty sleep. So after breakfast, I want to take a small little nap. Also, yeah, I want to eat breakfast and I can't watch it without watching something. And I don't have anything to watch at the moment because nimemaliza everything. So I think I'm just going to binge watch Gilmore Girls as I eat breakfast and then take a nap. So I woke up like 35 minutes ago. And yeah, so I woke up, did my hair, and yeah, because it's Friday and I'm not about to it's Friday and I'm not about to stay here watu wakikuwa nje, so I'm going outside. So sijui kama I'll vlog the rest of the night, but if I don't, niko nje kama mbwa. So I'm from Sarat, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here. So if you reached this point of the vlog, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.